Hello, my name is Vaishali Hanwat and today's my topic is the muscular system. The muscular system is a complex network of the tissue and that controls movement in the body, and it is composed of the muscles which are specialized tissues capable of the contraction and the relaxation, allowing for the movement and the various functions. The system works in a coordination with the skeletal system, and to facilitate to facilitate the locomotion and the maintain posture and perform essential bodily functions like breathing, digestion, and the circulation. Next we will see the types of muscles. Types of muscles, there are the three primary types types of the muscles in the body, in the human body. First one is the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscle, these muscles are attached to the bones by tendons, and are responsible for voluntary movements such as the walking, lifting objects, or smiling. Skeletal muscles are the striated, meaning they have a strip appearance under a microscope due to organized arrangement to muscles and fibers. They are under conscious control, means we control their actions intentionally. Then the smooth muscles are found in the walls of the internal organs, and such as the stomach, intestine, blood vessels, and the bladder. Unlike skeletal muscles, the smooth muscles are not under voluntary control, and their function automatically to regulate process like a digestion, blood flow, and the contraction of the bladder. These muscles are not striated, appearing smooth under microscope. Third one is the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle is found in only the heart, and it is responsible for the pumping blood throughout the body by the contracting and the relaxing rhythmically like a skeletal muscles. Cardiac muscle is a striated, but it is not it is not under voluntary control. The heart rhythmic contractions are controlled by a specialized group of cells known as the pacemaker cell. Next, the structure of the skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are made up of the bundles of the fibers, each containing the each contain hundreds to thousands of the muscle cells, and these fibers are wrapped in a connective tissues and organized in a hierarchical structure. Muscle fiber. First one is the muscle fiber. The basic unit of skeletal muscle is the muscle fiber, a long cylindrical cells that can be long as the muscle itself. Muscle fibers contain the multiple nuclei, which is unusual for the most cells, and packed with the myofibrils. The second one is the myofibrils. The myofibrils are the rod-like structure, and within muscles fibers that contain the machinery for muscle contraction. They are made up of the repeating units called the sarcomas, and the basic functional unit of the muscle tissue. Third one is the sarcomers. The sarcomers are composed of the thick filaments, which is made up of the protein myosin, and thin filament, which is made up of the protein actin. The interaction between these filaments causes muscle contraction, and during contraction the myosin heads attach to the actin filaments, and the pull them toward the center of the sarcomere, shortening of the muscles. Next, the connective tissue. The layers of the connective tissue are surrounded by the muscle fibers. The endomysium, bundles of the fibers called the fascicles, and the entire muscles. These layers help to transmit the force generated by the muscle fibers to the bones, producing the movements. Next, we will see the mechanism of the muscle contraction. The muscle contraction is initiated by the signals from the nervous system, and the process can be broken down into several steps. First one is the neuromuscular junction. The neuromuscular junction is the site where motor neuron meets muscular fibers. The neuron releases a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, and which binds to receptors on the muscle cells membranes. Thank you.